Hey everyone, I have an exciting announcement. My long-awaited Fiddle First for Beginners course is now open. Click below to get it immediately or sign up for my 10 free tips to up your fiddle game to get more acquainted with my teaching style, and that link can also be found below. If you're still watching this video, you might want to know a little bit more about Fiddle First, so here are a few details. This is just part 1, with parts 2, 3, and 4 coming soon. Part 1 is 3 months long and has 9 units. In that time, you'll learn over 15 songs. You will learn fabulous left-hand technique, posture, ergonomics, bow technique, tone production. You'll have your cake and eat it too, meaning you'll be able to learn fiddle style right out of the gate, but you'll also get excellent technique. Most methods teach classical violin as a prerequisite to learning fiddle style, or worse yet, they dive right into fiddle tunes and they never address technique at all. This course gives you both, and that keeps your options open. If you want to diversify later into classical styles, you'll be able to do so without backing up a lot and getting technique you should have been taught to begin with. Your ears will be so trained in this course, they will sit, roll over, or shake on command. The only thing they won't do is play dead. You will learn things that make fiddle fiddle, like the Nashville Shuffle, slurring, string crossings, slides, and that's just in part 1. Part 1 will really give you proficiency. Parts 2, 3, and 4 will take it even further. You will have access to me throughout the course for questions or help along the way. I can check what you're doing, make sure you're on the right track. You'll get sheet music to print and share with others because I want you to make music with other people. That's the whole point. You will get play-along MP3s to download. You'll get lots of play-along videos in slow, medium, and fast. You'll get over 100 lesson videos. You will get printable lesson summaries with practice assignments in them. It's a huge value and a very in-depth, wonderful course. Best of all, it's risk-free. If you're not completely happy with the lessons, then I offer a 60-day, I guess it's 60 because I just said it, 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy with it, simply request a refund and you will receive it. So I hope that you will click below for either the 10 free tips or to sign up for this course, or both. I'll see you on the inside.